Unlock your peak performance, the ultimate warm-up guide. Are you ready to maximize your workouts and minimize your risk of injury? Then you absolutely need to understand the power of a proper warm-up. Let's dive into why warming up is non-negotiable for any serious fitness enthusiast. Think of your muscles like a car engine on a cold morning. They need time to get going. A warm-up gradually increases blood flow to your muscles, making them more pliable and responsive. This increased blood flow delivers vital oxygen and nutrients, preparing your muscles for the demands of your workout. It's like giving them the fuel they need to perform at their best. A good warm-up isn't just about feeling good, it's about optimizing your performance. By increasing muscle temperature, you improve muscle elasticity and range of motion. This translates to greater power output, improved agility, and reduced risk of strains and tears. Don't skip the warm-up and risk sidelining yourself with an injury. Your nervous system plays a crucial role in coordinating movement. A warm-up helps to wake up your nervous system, improving communication between your brain and your muscles. This enhanced neuromuscular activation leads to better coordination, balance, and reaction time. You'll feel more connected and in control during your workout. Warming up isn't just physical, it's mental too. It gives you a chance to mentally prepare for the workout ahead, setting your intentions and focusing your mind. Use this time to visualize your goals, practice proper form, and get yourself in the right mindset. A focused mind is just as important as a prepared body. Start with 5-10 minutes of light cardio, like jogging or jumping jacks, to raise your heart rate. Follow this with dynamic stretches, such as arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. These dynamic movements improve flexibility and range of motion. Finally, include some exercise-specific movements to prepare your body for the specific demands of your workout. Ready to take your fitness to the next level? Start prioritizing your warm-up routine today. Subscribe to our channel for more expert fitness tips and workout guides. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite warm-up exercises, and let's build a stronger, healthier community together.